Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing and review for this Halloween sneaker. Alright guys, so let's get right into this unboxing. This may be the coolest concept for a Halloween sneaker that Nike and the SB line has ever made, except for the Mummy SB Dunk Lows, because those things are absolutely killer. But this is pretty cool. So getting right over to the box, guys, we got the Nike SB Dunk High Pro colorway reads Amarillo, orange, white, and black. Size 11.5, my true to size at all Nike Dunks. So there is the size tag right there. Hopefully that is in frame for you guys. Now opening up the box, you're going to get greeted with this Nike SB sticker right there. You're going to get your usual Nike SB paper on the inside. And opening these bad boys up, we got the shoes. Woo! We got the shoes. Alrighty guys, so yes, as you guys know, this is the Nike SB Dunk High Sweet Tooth, aka Candy Corn, aka 2023 Holiday Nike SB release. Now guys, I know that was a mouthful, but it's well needed for this specific shoe, because the details on this shoe go absolutely crazy. So normally I just review the one, either the left or the right pair, but we need to go over both because the details, like I said, are absolutely insane. So let's go with the left shoe first, all right? So let us just get into this colorway, all right? So obviously this thing is modeled after the candy corn, everybody's favorite. Not mine, not a lot of people's, right? It's kind of one of the worst candies that you can get on Halloween. Who is giving out candy corn in 2023? If you like candy corn, let me know down in the comment section below, but your boy doesn't. If I got candy corn on Halloween, I'd be real disappointed. But what I'm not disappointed in, guys, is this shoe right here. So first off, you're going to get an all-leather upper. However, it feels like a wax. It literally feels like a waxed leather. To the touch, it is really, really soft. Feels really good. It's literally like a waxed candy corn, which is insane how detailed that they made this pair of sneakers right here, okay? So, obviously, you're going to get this gradient, okay, colorway here with the yellow in the back. Going to the swoosh right here, you're going to get the faded orange, going all the way transitioning into that white panel right on the toe box. And like I said, leather is pretty soft. It's got that wax feel to it, which feels really good to the touch. Now, when you get to the tongue, you're going to get obviously the Nike SB Fat tongue. And it's also going to have a little candy corn right where the eye is in the Nike, which I think is awesome. Also behind the tongue, you're also going to get the Sweet Tooth little logo. And it's also going to say, warning, do not take candy from strangers, which I think is really, really cool. It's a really, really cool little nod to this collaboration. Like I said, the details on this specific pair of shoes go absolutely crazy. Now, the tongue is going to be this all-over mesh tongue. Like I said, the Nike SB tongue. And it's going to be in that orange mesh right there. Now, you do get orange laces on these guys. However, when you transition over to the right shoe right here, you're going to get 3 extra sets of laces. So it comes pre-laced with that orange lace, but you are going to actually get another pair of orange laces for some reason. So you're going to get orange right here. Also going to get a white set and also a black set. Let me know down in the comments section what pair and what lace you would throw in this shoe. Now, when you get on into the insole right here, you're also going to get pretty cool branding. It's going to be literally candy corn all on the insole right there. So the inside liner is going to be this mesh yellow. And like I said, the insole is going to be that candy corn. Hopefully you can see a little bit better on this pair right there. All the candy corn right on the inside, which I think is awesome. Guys, the details on this shoe are insane. So the left and the right shoe, you're also going to get this little detail right here as well. So on the wings, you're actually going to get the warning, do not take candy from strangers. Little logo with the little caution hazard tape right there, which I think is sick. Really cool design touch that they put into this sneaker. And then going to the outsole, guys, you're going to get a black outsole with the orange Nike SB pod that goes on the outsole right there. Nice traction pattern going on. And then also, if you're going to notice on the midsole, you're obviously going to get the white midsole. However, you are going to get that orange stitching all the way through that midsole, which I think is sweet. And guys, if you did not know, you can actually eat these shoes. You can literally eat it like candy corn. Nah, I'm just playing with you guys, but somebody did, because look at the toe box. So, another cool design touch with this pair of shoes, that on the right shoe right here, there is literally a bite mark, which also symbolizes that sweet tooth type of, storyline behind this sneaker. So, look at that detail right there. You literally have a bite mark going on the toe box right there, which I think is super, super dope. And then, guys, the last really cool feature for this pair of shoes right here is going to be the swoosh. So, obviously, that Nike swoosh is going to be your orange leather. Like I said, that wax leather. However, if you notice behind it, you're going to see this yellow swoosh, and that's going to be a yellow suede. Now, what's really cool about this is that this is a cutaway swoosh. Yes, that's right. So, if you actually were to cut this orange swoosh, it's literally another yellow suede swoosh right behind it. So if you really wanted to, you can cut it out and have a yellow swoosh on one side, have the orange here. You can literally mix and match both. So you can have an all yellow swoosh. You can have an orange swoosh on this one, yellow on this one. Just another really cool touch, and another reason, honestly, why I love the SB line and the Nike SBs that come out, because the storylines are unmatched to any other sneakers. And if you did enjoy this video, guys, please make sure you are smashing that like button. Leave your comments down below. Like I said, what lace you guys would throw into these things, and what your overall thoughts and opinions are on the Nike SB Dunk High Sweet Tooth right here. And before you guys leave, make sure you guys are smashing that subscribe button, because we're cruising past that 1,000 subscriber mark. And also, while you hit the subscribe button, please do not forget to turn on those post notifications so you don't miss another one of these bangers. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Nike SB Dunk High Sweet Tooth Candy Corn, a.k.a. the 2023 Halloween release. We're out. Peace.